Are you ready to unlock the secret to glowing, radiant skin without breaking the bank? Today, we're diving into an all-natural beauty remedy that's been used for centuries, castor oil. If you want to know how to get that healthy, hydrated glow, this video is for you. Castor oil is a powerhouse ingredient. Did you know that it's been a go-to remedy for everything from beauty to healing for over 4,000 years? The ancient Egyptians used it to maintain their famous glowing skin. And the best part? It's 100% natural and super affordable. So, what makes castor oil so amazing for your skin? First, it's rich in ricinoleic acid, which deeply hydrates your skin and locks in moisture. Perfect if you have dry or sensitive skin. But that's not all. Castor oil also fights inflammation, reduces acne, and boosts collagen production, making your skin smoother, softer, and more youthful. Think of it like a natural multitasker for your skincare routine. Whether you're battling dryness or looking for that youthful glow, castor oil has got you covered. Now, let's get into how you can actually use castor oil in your daily routine. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you glowing. Step 1. Start with a clean canvas. Always cleanse your face thoroughly to remove dirt and makeup before applying any oil. This ensures that the castor oil can penetrate your skin and work its magic. Step 2. Apply a small amount of castor oil. You don't need a lot. A few drops will do. Gently massage the oil onto your face in circular motions, focusing on dry areas or places where you want extra hydration. The massage also improves blood circulation, giving your skin that extra glow. Bonus tip. For an extra boost, mix castor oil with a few drops of rosehip oil or jojoba oil for added nourishment. Step 3. Let the magic happen overnight. Castor oil is thick, so it works best when left on the skin for a few hours or overnight. This allows the oil to deeply hydrate, repair, and rejuvenate your skin while you sleep. You'll wake up to a softer, smoother complexion. Step 4. In the morning, rinse your face with lukewarm water and follow up with your regular moisturizer. Your skin will feel fresh, hydrated, and oh so soft. Castor oil isn't just for your face. There are so many ways to use it in your beauty routine. Mix it with your body lotion. Add a few drops to your body lotion for silky smooth skin all over. Use it on your lips. Got dry or chapped lips? Apply a tiny bit of castor oil for instant hydration, as a spot treatment. Got a pimple? Dab a little castor oil on it before bed. The anti-inflammatory properties will help reduce redness and swelling. To recap, castor oil is your secret weapon for glowing skin. It hydrates, heals, and nourishes, giving you a radiant, youthful look without harsh chemicals. So why not give it a try? Your skin will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more natural beauty tips, and share this video with someone who needs a little extra glow in their life. Also, check out the links below for my favorite castor oils and skincare products that will take your routine to the next level. Remember, beauty starts with self-care. Treat your skin well and it'll shine for you. See you in the next video. Stay glowing, beauty's star.